Hi everybody, this is Salesforce Jen and I'm back here with another Experience Cloud tip. I am currently in the back end of Experience Cloud. I am in what we call the builder. You will see little lines as you move across the page. If you are not familiar with this and you would like to learn how to build an Experience Cloud site, go to my playlist and there is an Experience Cloud site step-by-step video. Otherwise, you should be familiar with this. I'm going to dive right into it. One way you can enhance an Experience Cloud site is to add a personal logo. You can do this for personal branding if it was your portfolio, or if you're working for a client and they have a logo. For instance, Best Buy would have its own logo. You can add it two different ways. I've made a generic site to show you for purposes of demonstrating Experience Cloud. This particular one, I have a hamburger menu. If I hit preview, go to the top left 3 lines, my hamburger menu drops down. There's also another menu type, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. I would like to talk about, if you have the hamburger menu, what you can do. I'm going to go back to my builder. I'm going to click in this area where a menu would be. I have this one, it says compact header. Depending on your theme, you'll have different options, but most of them will have these. So the first thing you need to do, no matter which menu you're using, is go to the top left. It looks like a paintbrush. Hover over that, it says theme. Click on that. It opens up. Yours may look a little different. If it doesn't look like this, you might have a caret up here. Hit the caret to go back, and you're on this main screen. And you're going to go to Images. It is the second one down. Click the caret on the right. Under Images, you'll see Company Logo, and this is where you'll upload a logo. Logos come in different sizes. The perfect size for an Experience Cloud site is 250 by 150. I've already uploaded some images, so we're going to choose them, but if you hadn't, you can upload them. The first one I want to try is one that I have sized at 150 by 150. I'm going to hit add. My page is going to refresh. So when you have a tile menu, it's going to go into the center of the page here, and because the tile menu is over here. There's a lot of companies that have square logos. This is 150 by 150, but they don't tend to look as good. And a company can remake their logo in a different size. It's something I've had to ask clients for. Let me go back to the builder and show you the difference on the menus. If I change my menu, I'm going to go to my compact header. When you click this area, it's your whole header. Depending on your theme, it could be called different, but when you click on that, it opens up options. If I remove center logo, my menu will change to a standard navigation menu that you see on a lot of websites going across the top of the page. If I go preview, I can see it, but again, this giant logo takes up a lot of space, and to me, it looks a little odd. I tend to change those. I'm going to go back to the left side, top of my page, click the paintbrush to theme. I'm going to, where it says company image that I've already uploaded my logo, I'm going to hit clear. I'm going to go for another one. I've already uploaded one. This one is 250 by 150, which is the perfect size for an Experience Cloud site. Let's close that and preview it. I can see that does look better. It is a good size. If we go back to the builder and click on that header, and let's go see what it looks like when we do have our slide out hamburger menu. There we go. It has centered it, and the hamburger menu is over here. Depending on the colors you're using, I would try to match the logo differently. For instance, I have a white header here, and I'm going to put a logo that is transparent where only the words are going to show. So I've already done that in the 250 by 150 size. And once I removed the background, you could not see the words because I'm using white. So I changed the lettering to black. We'll go back to the top left side, click the paintbrush where it says theme. I'm already in the images. I'm going to hit clear, and I'm going to bring in an image that I've already uploaded. My page resets. And this looks better as far as the way the text is on a white background. But with the tile menu, I tend to not like the logo as much. You could try to go for a longer logo, but generally it's skewed. Let's go back to our compact header by clicking on it. I'm going to click layout. And I'm going to unclick center logo, which will change my menu again. I tend to like this look. Sometimes you have a header, maybe your headers are dark. You ask them to create a PNG, which is a transparent background with text that's white, shows through, or you can do in the brand colors. This is just a simple way to add a little character, something a little fun, whether it's for you or when you're working on a website for a client.